Hello guys, so in this video we will talk about our module, that is website multiple invoice payment. Now basically this application facilitates portal customers to pay their multiple invoices, not individual, multiple invoices. When they want to pay for individual invoices also, they can also pay with that. Okay, and multiple invoices can be directly able to be get paid from portal website side without interfering backend side, right? You can also see key features like portal users will be able to pay their multiple invoices directly from a website portal side, right? It can be run with any kind of payment acquirer that is by default provided by Odoo itself, as well as any customized kind of payment acquirer also. And it reduce stress to manually pay each and every individual invoice again and again. And you can also see that our modules compatibility is Odoo Community Edition. All right, now let's proceed with modules functionality. So as you can see that I have already gone with this portal customer, that is Harvey, right? And we'll go to my account, as you can see. And here in this invoices and bills tab, I will be able to see all of these invoices which are already proceeded and left to pay, right? If portal user, if portal customer wants to pay them individually also, then he or she can directly click on this button, pay now. But if they want to pay for a combined invoice, right? Just for one example, that if he wants to pay for these two invoice as combined, right, then he will be able to select these two invoices, right? And he has to click on this button, that is go for payment. As you can see, our statement is already here that for multiple invoice payment, please select invoices and click on go for payment button, right? So here I am selecting these two invoices over here and clicking on this button. So here you can be able to see that the system has given the reference, the combined reference for this invoice, that will be like this, right? Let me go back again. Okay, that it is fourth and fifth number of invoices, right? So here system will give combined reference for this invoice and a combined amount, that is a sum of fourth and fifth invoice, right? And system will give over here all kinds of payment acquirers that those are enabled over here. So we will proceed with that with a Stripe payment acquirer in test mode. Okay, and we will click on that and let's pay it. All right, so here system redirects to Stripe checkout page. Now just write down information like all right, demo data, so here you can see that from Stripe side payment is successfully paid, and here at Odoo side notification is also displayed over here for a successful payment and with the related reference and with the total amount, right? And here you will be able to see that by going back to my account, you will be able to see this portal customer related fourth and fifth invoice has been successfully paid, right? And by going to backend side also, you will be able to see this fourth and fifth invoice is not paid because I have not refreshed this page yet. Let me refresh this page. And you will be able to see that this fourth and fifth invoice is successfully paid. So like this, by using this module, portal customers can easily able to make payments for their multiple invoices directly from website portal side without interfering backend side, right? So this is all about our modules functionality. Thank you so much for watching this video.